Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Manenos with Effie. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, karibu sana. So today in my kitchen, I'll be making some coconut yellow bean stew. So one thing my grandmother taught me is kama unataka maharagwe zako ziive, tafadhali soak them in water. Preferably soak them at night if you're cooking them in the morning or afternoon. Here are my ingredients for making my coconut yellow bean stew. We have the dania stems, we have some chopped onions, some chopped chilies, some chopped kitungu saumu, we have the curry powder, 2 Royco cubes, we have the coconut, and we have the tomato paste, and we also have some tomatoes. I'm frying first the onions, the dania stems, and the chili. Then I'll add the kitungu saumu. Then finally the tomato paste and some tomatoes. After my onions were cooked, I added my garlic. Alafu nikaongeza nyanya, tomato paste, the curry powder, and the 2 cubes. So now I'm waiting for them to cook. So I've added the beans, and then we're going to add the coconut, and then we mix it. Add the kidogo water. My bean stew is finally ready. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Please don't forget to try it at home. Tell me how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. I'll see you later.